Perched on the edge of the world, welcome to the Horizon Estate, where architectural vision meets technological perfection. As you arrive, the estate responds to your presence. Adaptive LED tiles illuminate your path, and the gates open with silent precision. Step inside to a grand atrium, where a 200-year-old bonsai flourishes beneath a simulated sky, nourished by a vertical waterfall that purifies and scents the air. Here, your personal AI valet welcomes you, adjusting climate, lighting, and even the scent of the air to your preferred settings before you speak a word. Ascend in a panoramic elevator, every floor offering a different view of the horizon, from the coastline below to the skyline beyond. In the central living space, walls of intelligent glass provide complete transparency or instant privacy, while a holographic fireplace projects warmth without a single ember. In the culinary suite, AI-assisted chefs prepare restaurant-quality meals sourced from the estate's vertical gardens and hydroponic orchards. The infinity pool extends toward the horizon, its glass bottom revealing the vast drop beneath, a perfect union of serenity and thrill. For wellness, a dedicated floor offers robotic spa treatments, immersive VR meditation chambers, and oxygen-enhanced recovery suites. Below, the subterranean gallery houses your automotive collection on rotating glass platforms, climate-controlled and ready at a moment's notice. The master suite is a private sanctuary. Its roof retracts to unveil the night sky, while your bed adjusts to simulate zero-gravity sleep for perfect rest. Entertainment reaches new heights in the holographic cinema, where levitating recliners and 360-degree visuals immerse you in every scene. At the summit, a rooftop oasis blooms, with bioluminescent paths, a drone port for personal air travel, and a glass-bottom sky deck suspended in open air. The Horizon Estate is not simply a residence. It is a statement, a seamless blend of art, technology, and the future of luxury living.